Coming up on Hands on Tech, I think I found the perfect laptop for business and for creativity. Hands on Tech is brought to you from LastPass Studios. Keeping passwords on notes or spreadsheets doesn't work anymore. LastPass easily keeps track and creates unique passwords for every site you use. Visit lastpass.com/twit.
This is Twit.
This episode of Hands on Tech is brought to you by IT Pro TV. Visit itpro.tv/twit for an additional 30% off the lifetime of your active consumer subscription. Use code TWIT30 at checkout. Hey everybody, I'm Pruitt and this is Hands on Tech at twit.tv. Appreciate y'all joining us this week for another outstanding tech review. Make sure you're subscribed to the Hands on Tech show here in your favorite podcatcher of choice. We appreciate that support. Let's go ahead and get into this week's show and check out this beautiful and outstanding laptop. Oh my goodness. This is the HP x360 Studio laptop. And now I know that's a bit of a mouthful from a naming standpoint, but I got to tell you, this device is pretty spectacular. Who is this laptop designed for? It's designed for your executive, it's designed for your middle management, but most importantly, it's designed for your content creator. With it having an 8th gen Core i9 processor, 6-core Core i9 processor, you're gonna have plenty of horsepower. You're getting at least half a terabyte of storage, SSD that is, and right now, this one even has 64 gigabytes of RAM. So it's plenty of speed, plenty of horsepower. So if you want to open up Lightroom, Photoshop, even After Effects, this thing is going to handle it. From a connectivity standpoint, you're going to get 2 USB-A ports as well as 2 Thunderbolt ports and an HDMI port, which is going to be great for you connecting your USB-C devices as well as connecting beautiful external monitors. Don't get me wrong, this UHD display is quite beautiful at 15 inches, but if you need an extra monitor, you have plenty of support for that on the ZBook. Now, again, from a creator standpoint, this device really stands out for me because this guy. Now, this stylus is a little bit different from the Wacom stylus that I normally use. Mine uses an EMR, electromagnetic resonance technology. This is using AES, which is active electrostatic technology. Not quite the same. The biggest difference that you're going to notice as a content creator is you're going to have to charge this one up every now and then. It has a simple USB-C connection. Everybody has a USB-C charging cable, so it keeps it easy for you. And it comes with the ability to just mount it to the top of the laptop so you don't have to lose it. It has a lot of different magnetic points on it. So if you want to stick it to the lid, you can do so like that. Or if you want to put it on the edge of the laptop here in front of you, you can do that as well. I really do enjoy having that there because I have a hard time keeping up with my stylus from time to time. Don't tell anybody, but this is a nice little tip and a nice little feature that you can have on this ZBook. In addition to the extra magnetic points and the hinge on here, you can flip this device all the way around into a tent mode. I like this because you can use it for presentation if you're in management or upper management or what have you. You can use this to do a slideshow and show it off to a room. Or if you're just wanting to get into a movie mode, you can sit it down on top of the keyboard and have a nice little studio, if you will, so you can enjoy your time with some Netflix or Hulu or what have you. But if you feel like being creative and productive, pull out that stylus and you can draw right onto the screen this way. I don't recommend doing it that way. I'd rather you just go ahead and fold it all the way down and use it as an actual tablet, and you can draw on it with ease. It's a little bit heavier than your standard tablet, but this is going to be pretty nice to use because you still have all of that wonderful horsepower that this ZBook is offering for you. From a pricing standpoint, you're going to get it at about $2,400 to start because, again, you're getting premium products on the inside, especially when you look at that it has a NVIDIA P2000 graphics card on the inside of it. That's not built for gamers. This is going to be built more for the creators out there. The display on it is a 4K display, UHD that is. at a 15-inch display, and it's only at 60 hertz. It's not going to be that wonderful 90 or 120 hertz that the gamers are used to. But again, that's totally fine if you're just doing slideshow presentations or if you're just doing some post-processing in After Effects or photography. Very, very nice device. This came spec'd out at about $3,400, which is still a pretty good price considering all of the hardware that you have inside of it. Do I recommend this laptop? Yes, I do. You don't necessarily have to be a content creator. You can, again, just be someone that's working in corporate America, if you will, and have a need for using a stylus, because this does work well with the Windows Link application inside of Windows 10. So you can take note of that, no pun intended, take note of that and use it for whatever productivity projects that you may have at hand.
This episode of Hands on Tech is brought to you by IT Pro TV. Invest in yourself and your future with IT Pro TV. They'll teach you the skills to be an IT professional. With over 4,000 hours of IT training, learn how to be a developer, a network admin, a sysadmin, or so much more. Go to itpro.tv/twit and use code TWIT30 for an additional 30% off for the lifetime of your active consumer subscription. That's itpro.tv/twit and use code TWIT30. IT Pro TV. Build or expand your IT career and enjoy the journey.
So that's going to do it for this week on Hands on Tech. I appreciate you all joining in each and every week. Also, make sure you go check out my show, Hands on Photography. That's twit.tv/hop or Hands on Photography in your favorite podcatcher of choice. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll catch you next time here on Hands on Tech. Y'all take care.
Keep up with all the hottest tech news and gadgets. Visit twit.tv. There you'll be able to find and subscribe to all our tech shows. Thanks for watching Hands on Tech.